Hello, this is the How-To series. In this video, we'll be going over how to register for your classes. So once again, you'll want to start at your student homepage, and then you'll go to the icon that says registration. Once you've clicked on that, it'll take you to your shopping cart, and right now, mine is currently empty. There are two main ways to add classes when you're registering for an upcoming semester. One I will be going over in a different video, and the other I will be going over in this one. So this one is a bit more of a direct approach, and it's for if you have a very specific section or time for a class that works perfectly with your schedule, and you'd like to add the class number. So what I did is I went to class schedule, and I'll be using the example of Art 1010. So the class number is right here, so I will be copying that, and then I'll paste it right in here, and then I can click enter. So right when it pops up, I see that the class is open. So if the class is open, you will see a green circle. If the class is closed, then it will show a blue square. And if the class that you're trying to add has a waitlist for it, then you will see a yellow triangle. We see a bit more information down here, like who the instructor is, that it's online, and we see the section. It's section 90, so we know that it's going to be online from a different video that I talked about, which is always good to know. It shows you the credits, and then right here we have a permission number. So not all classes at the U require a permission code, and you should definitely know ahead of time if the class that you are trying to add needs one. However, if I needed one for Art 1010, and without adding it yet I clicked next because I forgot, that's totally fine. What I would need to do is delete the course from my shopping cart, and then re-add it, remember to input the permission code this time, and then click next. So let's say I decide I want Art 1010, I would click next here, and then it really wants to double check that this is the class that you would like, and if you did need it to delete from your shopping cart, you could click it right here. So this is the one I want, I would click proceed to step 2 of 3. So right now I don't have a valid enrollment appointment at this time, but that's totally fine. So if I did, I would click right here, and then it would change to say finish enrolling. Now some students sit with classes in their cart, but they never fully finish enrolling because they saw this green circle and thought they were in the clear. But for you to be fully enrolled in a class, it needs to change to a green check mark, so always make sure that you see that. If you were unsuccessful in adding the class, then it would be a red X, and it would tell you why. Now, if I were able to add that class and I wanted to look at my class schedule, then I could click right here. And right now, it isn't showing any of the classes for this upcoming term, but if I click my weekly calendar view, then it shows the classes that I have right now, and any that are fully online are down here. Alright, that's all for this video, and I hope that was helpful in knowing how to add some of your classes.